Cigarette smoking is injurious to health. It causes cancer. धूम्रपान सेहत के लिए हानिकारक है. धूम्रपान से कर्क रोग होता है.
He shines like the sun!
He is so much fun! We all love him! From Ton!
From Man!
From Ton! In this entire world, he is the only one! His name is... Roshan! Woo!
दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. नजर में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. हवा के झोंकों के जैसे आजाद रहना सीखो. तुम एक दरिया के जैसे लहरों में बहना सीखो. हर एक लम्हे से तुम मिलो, खोले अपनी बाहें. हर एक पल एक नया समा देखिए निगाहें. जो अपनी आंखों में हैरानियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम. दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम.
हे चलो ना ढूंढे शहर एक नया, जहां मुस्कुराहटे हैं बिखरी, जहां से गम का मौसम गया, जहां मीठी बातें हर एक अजनबी से हो. भूले हम भी जो सारी फिक्रे, लम्हा लम्हा खुशियां बिखरे. इधर उधर और यहाँ वहाँ, जाए वही दिल कहे जहाँ. बेबे 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 हम धड़कने, दिल जैसे धड़के धड़कने दो. क्यों है कोई अजनबी, शोला जो भड़के भड़कने दो. हे चलो ना गाए नए
तब होना चाहिए जब वो मर चुका हो।
Mr. Roshan Vivankar, I want to wish you a very delightful and happy 26th birthday.
Gina, is there anything good about Roshan that you would like to share with us today?
Okay. Let me think.
Okay, it seems Gina needs some more time to think about it. So, meanwhile, we'll move on to his other friends.
Happy birthday, Roshan. Wish you a long, happy and prosperous life.
Birthday పిచ్చకి పండగ చెయ్యి ఓకే ఓకే dude, wish you a very very happy birthday. I'm leaving for India now. I'll try to call you though from India. Wish I was there and you know a deal, right? Okay, I'll give you one more year, okay? By next year you should make it possible. Okay dude, have a dhammakadar birthday. Chalo, see you, take care, bye.
Hi Roshan, I wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you have lots of fun and I wish you a fabulous year and many more years to come. I know I'm a little overdressed for this video. Before you make fun of me, it is not for the video. I'm going out, so that's why I'm dressed like this. And when I think of Roshan, there are only two things that come to my mind. That is your charm. Please do not lose that. And salsa ball. I had so much fun that day. Oh my god, you are an amazing salsa dancer. I hope you're still dancing and making people dance. So that's all I've got. I hope to see you soon sometime. Hopefully. I miss OSU and all the fun we had. Again, wish you a very happy birthday. Bye bye.
Hi Roshan, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a wonderful year ahead. May all your dreams come true. And you keep rocking the salsa dance floor. You're an amazing dancer. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anna. Happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day, Anna. As today is the 26th birthday, but yeah, you're getting old, but still, you're always evergreen and ever young for us, and you know how much we love you. You've been an awesome roommate and an awesome friend. You always enjoy the Sundays you cook for us, and you know the poem. I gave you the poem, so you know how we did. And yeah, Abhishek insisted we do this video, and it was an awesome idea. Thank you, Abhishek. But I'll take this opportunity to say something. We've not said this to each other a lot, but it's one thing to be a roommate, but it's another thing to be a constant support whenever you need somebody to talk to. Even though we don't talk much, you're always there to help, and it's like a strong point. When we came here, we were there for each other. So it's like a big brother, kid brother thing going on. So I love it a lot. So I hope we are always together, and you have a great, awesome year ahead. And maybe I'll recite that poem for you. Okay? Have fun, enjoy, and many, many happy returns of the day. May you have an awesome life and a great year ahead.
So, Gina, anything? Something?
Hey Rosh, happy birthday to you. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful year ahead. I want to let you know that you've been a really great friend, and I'm really happy that you stayed back in Stillwater. Once again, wishing you all the very best, and let's go have some beer and wings.
Hi Roshi, happy birthday.
Sorry for having missed your birthday this year, but I know that you're having loads of fun, and I want to tell you that thank you so much for being a part of this crazy year, last year in my life, and I'll always be very, very grateful. And you've been an awesome friend and a great well-wisher. I really, really like you from the bottom of my heart, and I wish you the best, and I'll always be there for you, okay? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Roshan. Happy birthday. May all your dreams, may all your wishes, may everything that you desire, may everything come true. Happy birthday to you. Ha. Well, now that I've officially spoiled the one song that you like the most, I can finally go ahead with my message, which is wishing you many, many happy returns of the day and lots of happiness, lots of happiness. Hey Abhi, is there anything that you would like to say, something dil ko chhu jaane wala? Well, there is something that I would like to share, which is, well, in my 27 years, 8 months, 5 days and few hours, I have never come across anyone who is blessed with so many skills. You are not only an amazing athlete, an amazing cook, an amazing drummer, an amazing host, an amazing Mr. International, but most importantly, you are a good human being. I said a good human being. Thank you. So, thank you for coming to US, thank you for choosing Hilkers 25, and thank you for being my friend. Love you and take care.
Hey Roshan, a very, very happy birthday to you. Um, well, you have been definitely one of the very few people that I have known all my life, and I'm really glad to have you. What do I say? Right from the two cheese badi hai mas number to hanging out on the Banaulim beach to lecturing in PCC. I think we've definitely come a long way. Um, it's been a great journey to have you as a friend. Um, out of the many qualities that I admire about you, one is definitely that you have a really outgoing personality and you get along with people really well. I have always admired that quality about you, and definitely a lot to learn from. Um, I'm not just hopeful, but I'm sure that you will do incredibly well in whatever you want to do. Um, all the best for everything. I miss you. I think we should definitely make some concrete plan to meet up this time for sure, and just have a great year ahead. Um, see you soon. Cheers.
Hi. Many, 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 many happy returns of the day. কি सांगू लाईफा भितर जे कितें जाय न्ही मेळ तुका आणि मिस करू लागतो त्यांना बर्थडे तुझ्या बरोबर सेलिब्रेट करू जायचे ओके बरोबर ॲटलिस्ट नेक्स्ट न्यू इयर तरी मग तुझ्या बरोबर सेलिब्रेट करू पहिला सांगतो का किती करतो अण्णासाठी प्लीज हां आणि कितें सांगचें म्हणल्यार एक दोन म्हणचें आसा I am the most proudest sister. You just my life. Can't live without you. That's it. And Mama also missing you. A message. That's it. तू तिचे बरोबर तरी स्कायपार उलयतलो म्हाका खबर ना तुजे बरोबर स्कायपार उलय मेळटलें काय ना म्हण हे व्हिडिओ थ्रू तुजे कडेन उलयलेला बट स्टील बेगी लॅपटॉप दांडी ॲटलिस्ट उलय तरी जातलें डेली ना जाल्यार वीकली तरी प्लीज जाय म्हाका तुजे कडेन उलयच्या साठी ओके चल आतां एन्जॉय कर खूब खूब एन्जॉय कर तुजें बर्थडे and do miss me and everyone else over there make this birthday the best birthday for him and what else नंतर बर्थडे बरोबर सेलिब्रेट करूया मागेले बी तुगेले बी ओके चलो बाय सी यू टा एन्जॉय
अरे जीना पूरा वीडियो खत्म हो गया अभी तो कुछ बोल
Yeah, I think I remember now. He plays good badminton, right?
Hi Roshan, I hope that you loved the video and you found the video as good as an atomic dhamaka.
Hey Abhi.
Yes, Sheikh?
You did not say the word dhamaka properly.
Well then, do you know how to say it properly?
Well, I don't, but Roshan does.
What do you mean?
Check this out.
Okay.
Dhamaka. That's it.
Dhamaka.
Dhamaka.
No.
Don't stop there. Wait. Let one tell him. Dhamaka.
Dhamaka.
Perfect. Don't say what you're saying is dhamaka.
Okay,
you're
okay.
saying that.
Dhamaka.
Dhamaka.
Are you ready for the final dhamaka?
Dhamaka.
They're also eating salsa. Dhamaka. Eh, no, this is high, huh? Just because you're recording.
Are you
Ready for the final dhamaka?
Are you ready for the final dhamaka?
Are you ready for the final dhamaka?
It's coming good.
Dhamaka. 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 Dhamaka.